So what we got on the menu today, guys, we're making some sea moss right here, right? So I got some sea moss in there, some ginger, and some cloves. So this is energy packed punch. I'm just boiling it down and then I'm gonna let it cool. So I'm just letting it, not really boiling, making it steep. So see, the stove is on way low. Well, it's on low, and then just let it steep, and then I'll turn it off in a little and give it about maybe half an hour to cool. And it's gonna get thick, and then I'll strain it and sweeten it. You guys will see. And what I got here is I'm gonna make some banana chips. So these are some burro bananas, and this is some salt water with sea salt and water, and some distilled water. So they're ready now. I soaked them in here for 10 minutes in this salt water, sea salt, and then I'm gonna put them in here in the air fryer, and this is how we're gonna fry them. So check it out. So air fryer right there. I just situate them how you want, you know. Make sure everything has their own space, or there, so it's not two layers, they're not on top of each other. And we're just frying. Air frying. It's the air fryer. There we go. Let's give it about 10 minutes first. So make sure they don't go too long. So give it 9 minutes first and see if they're not done. We'll give it some additional time. This is the sea salt was in here, so let's rinse it out and put it on up. So here's the sea salt here, pink Himalayan salt. So it wasn't sea salt, but Himalayan salt, similar. So yeah. So stay tuned when they come out, when we check on these. And then the soup, well, not the soup, but the punch, sea moss. Oh man, it's smelling real good. So yeah, stay tuned. So we're just gonna flip them. So remember, we gave them 9 minutes. So yeah, they're getting there. So flip them and give them maybe 8 or 9 more minutes, and they should be good to go. I want them a little crispy but not burnt. here we go. Let's put them back in. Give them 8 more minutes and see, well, let's give them 7 more minutes. And the tea, turn this off and let that cool. That'll be cooling for like 45 minutes. So when we come back here, these will be ready and we'll put them on the plate. Steam coming from it, see it? So stay tuned. There they are, perfect. Here they are, all done. Perfect. Taste test. Tastes like the banana chips you buy in the store. Just a little bit of sea salt. Perfect. So the tea, it's been off, so it's cooling. So guys, you see when I'm straining it, and then I'm just gonna sweeten it with some agave syrup, and then put it in a container to store and just drink it as I'm ready to drink. So stay tuned. So take it out, guys, and we're gonna strain it off.
It look like everything this time we need. Tonight forget done up.
So straining time. See, cut right here.
Slice and butter up. Slice and butter.
Some cloves on so.
That drink.
Yeah. So it's straining time. Blend some out, yeah. You need to blend it already.
Coming from the grave. Coming from the grave.
and we're sweetening it, guys. So just putting some, we got some dates already, so putting some agave in there to sweeten it up. We just stir it up. See how that's looking? Looking nice. And then for the taste. Still hot, guys, still hot. Putting some in here, so put that in the fridge. So this is what it looked like, guys. This is it right here. That's the finished product. Let me know if y'all made it before and what y'all put in below. Let me know the ingredients y'all put in yours. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel. See y'all in the next one. And yeah, unconditional love and peace. See y'all in the next one. There it is.
Made it, oh made it, made it.